Hi friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Out at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction Tempe. This is episode 2. We are working away at demo. We've got the guys with Carlson Tile out here working away, getting all the carpet and tile pulled up out of this house. I am so excited to show you the progress. So I'm standing here in the master bathroom. Oh, you can see all this flooring has come up, but look at what this big, beautiful space is going to be here for the shower. We can see all the way through the house from here, so that when we infill that opening, it's just going to be part of the water closet for this space, which is fantastic. So here's the master bathroom or bedroom, and we're getting all the carpet pulled out of here. Vanities gone, ceilings open. Oh, it's going to be so good to see that big tall ceiling in this space. Here we are, the piece de resistance, this nice open kitchen. Oh my goodness, the wall that was in this space and the floating soffits closed it off so intensely. Oh my goodness sakes, now we've got this great, grand, open, beautiful space before us. It's gonna look amazing when they walk in this house with the new kitchen and the new living spaces. So this plumbing that's coming up out of there, that's going to stay, but it's part of what's going to be our wet bar. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of a relocation of a vent pipe there to happen, and some plumbing that's in the floor is gonna have to go back up against that wall. But all that being said, that's gonna be a great wet bar space. So this is our dining room space where the refrigerator's sitting. We're all in good shape there. Here, oh, there's all of our carpet that they'll get ready to take out of the house. Guest bathroom over here real quick, just to show you where we got the cabinets all taken out. So that new navy colored cabinets will go in that space. Oh, it's gonna look beautiful. One of the things I'm really surprised about on this project is this fireplace build out, the way they did this. But I'm really excited to see where we took out the mantle. That's all brick. So now we're gonna have to come up with some creative design solutions in that regard. Friends in Tempe, signing off for today. Coffee and Construction episode number 2. Thank you so much for being here with us. We're so grateful you're on this journey for the transformation of this beautiful home. Take great care of yourself. You're the best, too. You go.